Raja Ampat, a fascinating marine paradise in West Papua, Indonesia. The territory within the islands of the Four Kings is enormous, covering 9.8 million acres of land and sea, home to 540 types of corals, more than 1,000 types of coral fish and 700 types of mollusks. This makes it the most diverse living library for world's coral reef and underwater biota. According to a report developed by the Nature Conservancy and Conservation International, around 75% of the world's species live here. When divers first arrive here, their excitement is palpable. It's common to hear people praise God as they take in the remarkable scenery. Others prefer to remain in silence, taking in the overwhelming sight of so many islands with crystal clear water that softly brushes over the white sandy beaches. Commonly, divers will join a tour and live in a diving resort during their stay in the Raja Ampat Islands. To access diving spots, please contact and use the professional diving organizers, who can be conveniently found in Sarong. You may rent a small boat if you wish to stop and make personal discoveries along the line of the beaches. You can also trek around the islands to find hidden beauties, like waterfalls and ancient caves.